Let's see how to clean your Dash Pro to keep it in good shape. First, remove the fit sleeves or fit tips. Check if the edge protecting the speaker has any earwax built up, and carefully use the end of a paper clip to remove it. If there is some earwax on the mesh or on the contact pins or data hub, wet a toothbrush with a bit of warm water and carefully remove it. To clean the charger and the Fit Tips Pro, we recommend using lint-free or microfiber cloth, or simply your fingers. Do not use any liquid to clean either of them. If there is some dirt or earwax on the contact pins, use a toothbrush to gently remove the dirt from the mag-snap connectors, and then gently tap the charger facing downwards to make sure nothing remains inside. For the Fit Tips Pro, make sure to check also the audio canal and clean it if necessary with a paper clip. To clean the fit sleeves, remove them from the dash and clean them using warm water. If they are still not clean, you can use a gentle cleaner, such as mild soap. Make sure to dry the fit sleeves carefully before refitting to the dash. For all Bragi products, do not use any harsh cleaning substances or detergents. Do not wash in the washing machine or the dishwasher, and do not dry using a hairdryer. Enjoy your Dash Pro.